Hello guys, try natin naman yung mga old songs. Try natin yung Let It Be Me. Okay, sa key of C. Ayan. C. I mean key of G. Ang kasama ng G, D. Ayan, D. And then my E minor, yung dalawang fingers mo dito sa 6th and 5th string. And then, mayroon tayong B minor, yung apat na fingers mo nasa 4th fret dito sa baba. Lahat nung 4th string dito. Ganun lang siya. Nakaporma na yung kamay mo. Yan. 2, 3, 4. B minor. Yan. Then, mayroon tayong C, yung 3. Slanting. Tumona. Yan. And then, sa 1st fret yung 2nd string. Yan ang C. Okay. Then, yun lang. G, D, o kaya ganyan yung D. And then, E minor. And then, B minor. Ayan. Okay. Intro. Plucking natin. Yung plucking niya, ganyan lang siya. Tapos yung strumming niya, 4/4. That's the day I found you. Then E minor. Okay, plugging ko muna. Then, sa next is strumming. Okay, plugging. Intro. The day I found you, I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me. Don't take this heaven from one. You must cling to someone now and forever. Let it be me. Each time we make love, I find complete love. Without your sweet love, what should I be? So, guys, yung first stanza and second stanza, parehas ang mga chords. So, yung refrain naman, pupunta tayo sa C. Ayan, C. Each time we meet love, yan, B minor. And then, mayroon tayong A minor. Then, balik ka sa B minor. And then, see what would life be. Mag B7 ka. Ganyan mo lang siya. Yung B7. And then, yung third stanza. So, never leave me lonely. D, E minor. Tell me you love me only. And then C again. And that you'll always. Then C. Let it be me. Yan ang guys ang chords for chords G, D, E minor, B minor. And then sa refrain, meron tayong C, A minor, B7. Yan lang. So yung strumming naman niya, ganito siya. I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you, and magandang strumming nga. Don't take these silence from one. If you must cling to someone, now and forever, let it be me. Ganun lang guys, ang let it be me. Guys, try naman natin yung she. Sa key of C, F minor, then F, and then D minor, then A7. Ini lang ang ano yan guys, C, F, then D minor, and then G. Apat lang, and then meron tayong F minor doon sa F. F yan, F minor. Yan ang chords lang niya. Okay. Intro. F, then C. She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of her pleasure or regret. Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the chill that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of the day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the peace. You turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside the she may be the reason I so right to wait, then why I dwell for I'm alive. Do I not take care for true to rough and ready to me? I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs. Where she goes, I got to be. The meaning of my life is she. She. Yan lang guys, madali lang. C, then mag-F ka. Yung C mo, ganyan lang siya. And then lagay mo to. Baba mo lang yan. Yan na yung F. Okay. So, she may be the reason I survive. And then, mag-F minor ka. Do I and wherefore I am alive. Joanne, I'll take care for through the rough and ready years. Yeah. And then me, I'll take her laughter and her tears, F, and make them all my souvenirs, C on C. Then for where she goes, I've got to be D7. Then mag-G ka na. The meaning of my life is she. Yan lang guys, chords niya. So, yung song na to, mostly yung song for the woman you love, ganun yan, lalo na pag nawala siya. Okay. She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be Maybe the song that summer sings, maybe the cheetah autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. Oh, she. Yun lang guys. See you. Guys, punta naman tayo sa Can't Help Falling in Love. Sa Key of C. Key of C ulit. And then, mayroong A minor. And then, F. And then C, G. Sa ano yan, sa mga first and second stanza. Sa refrain naman, may A minor. And then B7 sa fourth fret, dito sa baba, ganyan mo lang ang B7. Yan, paulit-ulit siya, B7, A7. Then meron tayong A7, A minor, ganito lang yan, A minor. So fourth, plucking ulit natin. Intro. Okay. A minor, F,